This how to 1 minute will show you how to embed or how to add custom head code in Wix website. First of all, open your Wix site editor, and once you are in your site editor, click on this plus icon, and here click on embed code and select popular embeds. And now here you will get these three options. One is embed HTML, embed a site, and a custom element. To add custom code for your Wix head, select embed HTML, and here select code. Now you can write here your custom code for your head. So that's how you can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe how to 1 minute. See you in the next video.